Now I still I still have the Manicurist, and I still use the athlete's foot, but I still have the dry feet, and it doesn't itch. It's just dry. Is there?
Well, you don't have athlete's feet right now.
Yeah, and I got new shoes.
This is just
and
regular exfoliated
everything.
skin.
So the product is working.
Yep.
And I can't say I use it every day, but I do it every single time I'm out of the shower, every single time I put shoes on. I sure do. I'm very,
If you want some extra added moisture, there's a product called Fisher Cream. It's in a jar. Do I have one in here? Yeah. And it's
oh yeah, the balm, yeah.
yeah. And it will help heal
How
cracks.
much is that?
It's around the same price.
Okay. I might take something today. I told my husband I wasn't going to, but I spent a little bit too much for Christmas.
Oh, did you?
Well, I mean, I guess. Everybody enjoyed themselves, so I guess we're good. I'm just glad so I'm start shopping. I did a lot of online shopping though.
Yeah, we kind of had to.
We did. And our mall is really struggling, and there's a lot of shops that's closed. JCPenney's is left, Sears is left, so I hated to do that, but Kohl's, that's about all we have.
Yeah.
That and Walmart, and I'm not a Walmart fan.
Well, not for like clothes and
No.
stuff.
No. You can go get good vacuum cleaners and cheap stuff like that too with it.
Mm-hmm.
But, they kind of went up, I think, over the years.
Yeah, that Fisher Cream will heal up these cracks in your heels too.
And I don't get it. I go to Wisconsin, and I don't have any issues, but I go to Wisconsin, and they just completely crack. And I have to constantly put Vaseline and just whatever I could, any kind of, the Gold Bond, I think it is. I use that, and I just about used everything. But they crack there. And I mean, they hurt so bad when I'm walking. But they don't do that at home. I don't get it. Other than it's really cold up there, but
Right, the temperature is just sucking the moisture out of
it
your
must
skin.
be, yeah. I've always had really dry feet, I guess, but not enough to keep me from having issues, but yeah. I don't have that in the summer at all. When I wear sandals, my feet don't crack like that at all, but in the winter, oh my, it's painful.
Yeah, that is no fun. All right, you can go ahead and put the foot back in the water.
House is really bad. I mean, she had foot surgery, and her feet were just terrible. We always said, instead of inheriting good looks and money, we inherited bad wheels, bad feet. But, yeah, she had calluses. Put my phone on Do Not Disturb.
It's okay. It doesn't bother me. Do you want to get it out of your
No,
bag?
I don't need to get it. I just didn't want it to bother you.
Doesn't bother me.
A lot of places say, please turn your phone off while you're.
Some of that is because it's like when they're touching your hands, it's because after they sanitize your hands and they start working on you, and then you keep touching your phone, then they haven't sanitized your phone.
Your phone is probably the nastiest thing you have.
Yeah, it is.
Which I do keep the alcohol prep pads and clean them.
Yep.
My son, that's what he works on phone, so he keeps me up on the phone.
Okay, you can put back in the water.
No, I don't want to. That felt so good.
Felt so good.
Yeah, I did. And I'm not.
Mm-hmm. They dry out my face.
Oh yeah. But yeah, and they tickle your throat. That I think it's the cloth in there.
Yeah, you just get so dry.
Oh yeah. How many stylists do you have in here?
We have 3 left altogether. A couple have quit because of the whole pandemic.
Yeah. It's affected a lot of business. All business, I guess.
People have moved away.
Well, that's something I'm gonna do is cut my hair.
Are you?
Yeah. Yep. I just gotta find a correct stylist to do it. Me being a hairstylist previous, I know people can hack it up.
Mm-hmm.
When I was in beauty school, I had green hair, you know.
Did you?
Yeah, at that time. That was 1996. I sure did. It was that mucky green. Highlight.
You're a natural blonde.
A little bit of red. My sister, my brother, and my dad had red hair. My mom had blonde. So there is red there. Some people pay a lot of money for red.
Mm-hmm.
And people with red hair try to change it, don't want red. But yeah, I'm gonna do it. all I do is pull it up anyway.
How long has it gotten?
It's below the rear end.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Is it that long?
Yeah.
Oh yes, it is.
Yeah.
It is long.
Oh yeah, I want to cut.
Yeah, my hair had gotten the longest it had ever been, and I took some scissors to my own hair at home.
And I do every once in a while, you know, trim the ends, but yeah, I need to shave. I was in it last spring, and the pandemic just didn't get it done. Do you watch NASCAR?
No.
Not at all. Isn't there a track around here somewhere?
Yeah.
I know we passed it when we came before. We didn't pass. I didn't see it this time, so
Yeah, it
we
was
were asking about it.
MIS. Michigan International.
Yeah, my husband's a
Speedway.
big NASCAR fan.
Yeah, we have a friend who works for one of the teams, and I mean, we've been to some races and we go and see him and stuff, but I don't hardly ever watch television.
Yeah, I don't either. Other than the YouTube channels, that's what I'm on now. I don't watch regular TV
Yeah.
very often.
Yeah.
I watched The Good Doctor, which was on last night, but other than that, I don't. He watches a lot of sports. But you know, he's from Wisconsin, so they're Packer crazy.
Yeah.
They're playing up there. I think Sunday is going to be cold.
Are fans allowed in yet?
6,000.
Wow. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.